Hi everybody, Dr. Cary here. I'm going to show you how to book a new patient appointment today, just to walk you through the steps. So if you're on our website, www.tuttstreetfamilychiropractic.com, you're going to see this landing page. And when you find one of these buttons that say book now, you can click on one of those. There's several of those buttons on the website. And so when you see one, just click on that and it'll take you to the next step. The next step for new patients is the second option right here, which says initial office visit for new patients. Click on that one and then click continue. Then you'll be able to see the days and times that are available. So choose a day and time that is convenient for you. And then you're going to have to enter your information. So enter your phone number, enter your email address. Okay, I'm just going to override that because I'm in the system. So enter your email address. And then your first name. And then any appointment notes. So if you want me to know something about your condition before you come, if you have a coupon code, enter that here. So coupon code. And then click on book appointment. When you do, you're going to get a reminder via email and text about the appointment. You'll be able to add it to your calendar. And then we will send you the paperwork in advance via text or email so you can fill that in. And that's it. It's pretty simple.